So let us cover vector integration in this class. So the first topic is line integral. This is a 1 mark important question. What is line integral or define line integral? So let R bar define a smooth curve C joining the points A and B. Let f bar of R be a vector point function define a continuous along C then the curve integral f bar dr taken along the curve C is called the line integral of f bar along C. Now let us see what is work done by a force. So usually in the problems they will ask us to find work done by a force. So how to do that? Total work done by F bar during displacement from A to B is given by the line integral A to B f dr or f bar dr, because f bar is a vector. We use bar only for vectors. For scalars, we don't take any bar. Next. Now let's see what is conservative force field. So these terminology is very important to understand before moving on to the problems. So what is conservative force field? Take the first point. F bar is conservative force field if del cross F bar is 0 or a null vector, because cross product of two vectors is a vector itself, right? So this is null vector. Now take the next point. If the force F bar is conservative, that is F bar is equal to del phi, then the work done is independent of the path and vice versa. So in this case, curl F bar is equal to curl grad phi, and that is equal to 0. If curl F bar is 0, then you can say that phi is scalar potential. Phi is scalar potential. Now let us get started with problems. Take the first one. Evaluate curve integral f dot dr where f bar is equal to x square I bar plus y square j bar and c is the curve y equals x square in the xy plane from 0, 0 to 1, 1. Now we know that r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now what is dr bar? Dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. We are applying d on both sides. Now let us find f bar dot dr bar. What is f bar? From the question you see what is f bar? X square I bar plus y square j bar. Dot this dr bar we will copy now. Dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Now we need to find the dot product of these two. Dot product means multiply I with I, j with j, k with k. So this is x square dx plus y square dy. There is no k bar in the first bracket. So no need of multiplying with k bar. Okay. Now we find the integral. Curve integral f bar dr. F bar dot dr bar. So that is curve integral x square dx plus y square dy. Now you can see the limit 0, 0 to 1, 1. So we take the limits from 0 to 1 x square dx plus what is y? So y square we can write it as, see in the question, y is equal to x square is given, curve y is equal to x square. So in the place of y we can take x square whole square. See if y is equal to x square and if you differentiate you will get dy, no? Dy is 2x dx. So in the place of dy we can take 2x dx. Did you understand now? So completely we converted into x. So it will be easy for us to integrate. So what is that? Integral 0 to 1 x square dx plus integral 0 to 1 2 into x power 4 into x is x power 5 dx. So integral x square is x cube by 3 from 0 to 1. Then plus 2 is a constant. X power 5 integral is x power 6 by 6 from 0 to 1. So that is 1 by 3 is a constant. If you apply the limits, first apply upper limit, then apply lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. Plus 2 by 6. Again upper limit minus lower limit. 2 ones are 2 threes are. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. This is the final answer. Take the next question. Find the work done by the force F bar is given to us in moving particle from the point 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 along the curve C such that C is x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. Now again we take r bar. So we know that r bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Now what is f bar dot dr bar? So f bar is 3x square minus 6yz into I bar plus 2y plus 3xz into j bar plus 1 minus 4xyz square into k bar. This is f bar dot dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Now we can multiply, we need to find dot product. So multiply I bar with I bar, j bar with j bar, k bar with k bar. So 3x square minus 6yz into dx plus 2y plus 3xz into dy plus 1 minus 4xyz square into dz. Now what is given to us? Given C is x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t3. So dx will become dt if you differentiate. dy will become 2t dt and dz will become 3t square dt. Now curve integral f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 0 to 1 3t square minus 6t square into t cube dt plus 2t square plus 3t into t cube into 2t dt plus 1 minus 4t into t square into t power 6 into 3t square dt. Now we have to integrate all these terms. So that is equal to 3 integral 0 to 1 t square minus 6 integral 0 to 1 t power 5 plus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 integral 0 to 1 t cube plus 6 integral t power 5 plus 3t square dt minus 12 integral 0 to 1. Everywhere you have 0 to 1. T into t square is t cube. T cube, this will become t power 9. This is t power 10 dt. So that is 3 t cube by 3 from 0 to 1 minus 6 t power 6 by 6 from 0 to 1 plus 4 t power 4 by 4 from 0 to 1 plus 6 t power 6 by 6 from 0 to 1 plus 3 t cube by 3 from 0 to 1 minus 12 t power 11 by 11. 1 minute, let me check. Is it t power 10 or 11? So here 2 plus 6 is 8. 8, 10 and 11. Correct. From 0 to 1. Here 3, 3 cancel, 6, 6 cancel, 4, 4 cancel, 6, 6 cancel, 3, 3 cancel. So this is 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 plus 1 minus 0 minus 12 into 1 minus 0 by 11. So 1 minus 1 cancel. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 12 by 11. That is 33 minus 12 by 11. That is equal to 33 minus 12 is how much? 21 by 11. So here this last part I need to check. This is cube. So this will be 11. And if this is 11, this is 12. So if this is 12, this will get cancelled. And now plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. And finally, you'll get the answer as 2.